and a bird. Early one evening, the sweet voice was heard, as it sat on a twig of a caroling bird. When it spied something glittering there on the ground, it flew to the place, and a firefly it found. The firefly said, "Bird of the musical charm, take your sharp beak away, do a poor one no harm. Allah granted you song, and gave the flower scent. That same Allah to me did my lustre present. My being is hidden in garments of light, the zenith of creatures that flutter in flight. If your dulcet note has of heaven the ear, the eye of that heaven sees my gleaming clear. While nature with sparkle did cover my wing, it gave you the song that charms hearts when you sing. It instructed your beak in all musical grace, and made me the torch of the garden's space. Flashing it gave you, to me it gave voice. My portion is radiance, in song you rejoice. Radiance and song in this world are not foes. They cling to each other in harmony close. Creation's firm frame is compact of the two. All heights and all depths are to both alike due. They mingle together to make everything. In this garden from both comes the beauty of spring.